What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Doge. I know you all see the pullback that we just had, so we're gonna be talking about this today, and we're gonna be talking about some of the big advertisements and some of the big fundamentals that's going on with Baby Doge and everything that we got going on with Baby Doge. So, anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. If you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also, before we actually start the video, remember, I'm going to have everything completely perfect by the 12th. On the 12th, I'm definitely going to have everything set up. The video is going to be so much better. It's not going to lag like this because I'm on a really, really old laptop right now. So right now it's really moving really slow. I'm going to have the whole studio set up, so it's not going to be low quality. But anyways, you all know that already. But let's talk about Baby Doge because we got so much going on with Baby Doge. Now, right now, it shows that the bears are in control of the 24-hour market control by 60%. So yes, we had a pretty big dip right here. I thought we were probably going to stop around the 3-2 area, but we actually broke the 3-2 area. That was our support. So since we broke that support, we may see some further downside potential. So right now, what we're seeing right now is Baby Doge may actually go below the support line of 2.8 because we bounced off of it very briefly. But what you're going to see is probably another rise in Baby Doge before it actually breaks below that area. Now, I can't really do the technical too much right now because, as you can see, it's moving really slow. It's really not letting me do much right here. But what I will do is show what we could possibly do inside of price. So you could see the chart do something like this, Baby Doge, where we actually continue to rise up here to this next Fibonacci retracement, which is pretty much at the 3-4 area. And yeah, it's not much of a rise, but remember, we did a lot inside of Baby Doge, so you'll probably see it do something like that and then continue to pretty much go down and dip. But what you're seeing in the overall crypto market is like everything's down right now. Bitcoin's down. I mean, everything. Ethereum's down. And Baby Doge was going to do this eventually because we're really just following the overall crypto market now. But at first we were, paving our own way. We were paving our own way and actually having a pump of our own. But now that we're following the crypto market, following everyone else on the way down. So Baby Doge was exempt for that for a little bit, but not for long. So as you can see right here, Bitcoin at 41.9K. You got Ethereum at 3,100. Now, mind you, this pump that we had, it's kind of like leading up to the big stuff that we got going on inside Baby Doge. So it's pretty much leading up to our roadmap. We just now had the CerTic audit AMA, and they were talking about a lot of stuff there. But remember, we already got all this good stuff out: the wallet tracker, Ethereum bridge, and NFT collection. Now the Baby Doge wallet, this is kind of what this pump is leading up to. It's leading up to that Baby Doge wallet, the virtual and physical debit cards, and the exchange. So when those three actually come out, they're going to be coming out at the same time. That's going to be really big for Baby Doge. This is really going to send Baby Doge to the moon. This was just a little bit of a test rally. So this rally was just testing waters here. So this isn't even the largest of what we're going to have in Baby Doge. So anyways, you see Baby Doge is down 13.8%. So it's not down too much because when you look at the last 30 days, we're still up pretty much 98% or 100% if you want to say that. But yeah, Baby Doge is still primed for another breakout, still primed to pump. We just had to do a little bit of a pullback. And this pullback, really, it was expected. I mean, you got to think about it. We got literally 70K holders in less than a week. Literally 70K holders in less than a week. We're almost at 1.2 million holders already inside Baby Doge. So you can see right here, we have 1,177,456 holders, almost 1.2 million holders. And this was all in less than a week. Literally, that's a lot of holders. So we were primed for this pullback. We knew it was going to happen. I mean, everyone knew that there was going to be some kind of pullback happening in Baby Doge. So this is the pullback. We just got to withstand it. We got to stay strong. The whole Baby Doge army has to stay strong. But right now, what you're seeing at Baby Doge with these new 68,000 holders, 70,000 holders, a lot of them, they're pretty much the people that are selling out. The long-term holders for Baby Doge, we're not selling out, but some of the new people are. But what we're also seeing is our actual holders are still increasing. Like, even though people are selling out, people are buying in faster than they're selling out. but the amounts of baby Doge are starting to get sold at large amounts because the whales that hold lots of baby Doge, they're pretty much the ones selling. You can even see here on the oscillator that is showing that there's more selling volume, but you're seeing the selling volume coming from the larger whales and some of the newer people who didn't really have much in baby Doge. But when you're seeing the larger whales selling, they have a significant impact on the price. So the reason why I say this is because when you look at the holders are going up, yet the price is pretty much going down. And that is because the large whales, they're dumping their bag and they're pretty much going to buy the dip after this. They're pretty much going to artificially lower the price so that they can get in at a lower price. So that's pretty much what the whales are doing here. It does show the bears are in control of the 60% or the 24-hour market control by 60%. So it's pretty much showing that we're 60% bearish. And what this means is those whales, the bears, they're pretty much driving our price down and they're trying to get in at a lower price. So that's what's happening inside of baby Doge. We are doing this pullback and we'll probably continue to pull back to the lower area of 2.8. So we're going to see that 2.8 area. And I wish I could do a full technical analysis on this to kind of show you all what I think we're going to have next. But the next support line after 2.8 will be 2.0. Now, 2.0, I don't think we're going to go too far below that. Like, I don't think we're going to go way below 2.0. Like, this is just a pullback. It's like the test rally before the actual rally. So we could actually start the rally again. I know I just said rally a lot in that last sentence, but still, we could actually rally again inside baby Dogecoin. There could actually be another breakout. But mind you, there are some supply and demands of less demand that's going to be pretty hard for us to break. But anyways, like I said, I can't really do a full technical analysis. I know you see on the screen, everything's messing up on here. So I can't really do a full technical analysis on this, but I will have that done on the 12th. But anyways, let's talk about some other stuff with baby Doge. We have burned $615,000 today if this would ever load. But yeah, $615,000 today burned. And then we have 20,000 new holders just in today, literally. That is huge. And this is huge for us. And pretty much it was yesterday. I wouldn't say today because it was 16 hours ago. Shout out to Ultra243 for posting this. But yeah, 16 hours ago was pretty much yesterday. But yeah, $615,000 burned, 20,000 new holders. Really big stuff right there. 167 trillion baby Doge right there burned all in one day. And not only that, we also have huge promotion for baby Doge. Remember, football, as they call it out there inside of Latin America and also in Europe, they call it football and not soccer like we call it in America. So pretty much this is the biggest sport out there for all of Latin America and all of Europe. They're really big with football. So the reason why I'm talking about this is look at this. Baby Doge literally advertising on one of their stadiums. Like, this is huge for us. This is huge promotion. Baby Doge literally all up on the side of the stadium there. So that's really good for us. And a lot of people watch these different football leagues. So shout out to them. But anyways, this is our official sponsor and the Bundesliga football team. I don't even know how to pronounce that, but Bundesliga or whatever football team. So shout out to them for being our sponsor or for letting us sponsor them pretty much. So that's pretty big news right there because a lot of people do watch that stuff. So shout out to everyone there. Now we got to talk about the burns and we got to talk about the tokenomics. We're seeing lots of reflections in baby Doge, lots and lots of reflections. So total and reflections, you're seeing all of this being sent back to holders right now. $2 million next month sent back to the people. 649 trillion pretty much baby Doge being sent back to the people next month. And this month last month we had 1.7 million sent back. Last week 1.6 million. Last 24 hours $161,000 sent back to the people in the last 24 hours. In the last hour $7,000, $7,600 sent back to people. And every single second $2.12 is being redistributed to all of the holders in baby Doge. So that is pretty big stuff right there. And then when you think about the burn as well, we're already burning so much baby Doge automatically. We already burned 118 million baby Doge, which is 38.3 quadrillion. Like, we're primed for a breakout. We gotta do this very soon. We already did a breakout, but this is the pullback period. You're probably gonna see a little bit of sideways trading a little bit, and probably see baby Doge break down to the 2A area, like I was saying. But then we're still primed for a breakout. We're still looking forward to the horizon of the new listings of Binance, Coinbase, all that good stuff, Kraken, Voyager. You're going to see all these different, you're going to see smaller exchanges out of Baby Doge and larger exchanges. So that's going to be pretty good for us. But yeah, anyways, 2 quadrillion has pretty much is being projected to being burned every single week. So $6.1 million being burned every single week, which is 2 quadrillion Baby Doge, if we continue at the same volume that we're at right now. And pretty much the volume that we're at right now is not too bad. We're definitely doing good volume. It's at 38 million right now. We were at 100 million, but things happen. We did a little bit of a pullback, so this is what we got now. But still, 2 quadrillion being burned like just automatically. This is huge. So yeah, as you can see over here, 160 quadrillion circulating supply right now, 174 quadrillion burned. We're just burning left and right until we have nothing left to burn. But anyways, next thing with Baby Doge, we've been being talked about a lot in the media. So we actually got an article written again by Benziga. They actually wrote an article on this yesterday. So the fact that they're doing it today is a lot more press review. Like I was saying yesterday, like this is big for us. New people that never knew about Baby Doge are now knowing about Baby Doge. This gives them the opportunity to invest in Baby Doge. And then it gives us the opportunity to continue to get new holders and more volume in. So this could be what helps us continue to pump. But right now we are in a pullback. So these people are just going to be buying the dip. But yeah, shout out to Benziga for writing about us again, like twice in a row. Like that's big stuff right there. Now, we do have to talk about the next thing with Baby Doge, which is another article. So this one is going to be with NASDAQ. So as you can see, NASDAQ has written an article about us. Literally, yeah, like the stock market, NASDAQ, they're literally writing articles about us. So you already know billions and billions, trillions of dollars flows through NASDAQ. And now we're getting this article written by NASDAQ for Baby Doge. So this is really good, Baby Doge, for the people, Baby Doge Army. I want to see this continue to grow. We got a lot of stuff going on today. This is going to be a really short video, though, because like I said, I have a lot going on, working full-time, trying to do these videos as well, also trying to set up a new place, moving and all that. I got a lot of stuff to do, but still coming every single day with these Baby Doge videos. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But yeah, let's get on to the next thing right here with Baby Doge, because we already know about the predictions. By the end of 2022, you already know 0.00001, predicting 5 zeros by the end of the year, 6 zeros at the very least, 5 zeros at the very most. Some people say 4 zeros, but I just don't see 4 zeros happening by the end of the year. Some people do believe it could, and I really hope it does, and I hope I'm proven wrong there. I hope it hits 4 zeros by the end of the year, but 5 zeros is more realistic. So you just want to kind of be, wary of that. But when you look at what some of the people are predicting for Baby Doge, someone says 150% by 2027, it will go up 150%. And this is coming from Wallet Investor. That's got to be, I'm sorry to say, that's going to be one of the dumbest predictions ever. We did 100% inside of 1 week. What makes you think we can only do 150% inside of 24, or not 24 hours, inside of like 3 or so years, or how many years? I see I'm so tired I can't even do the math right now. But inside of 5 years, what makes you think we can only do 150% in 5 years? So a lot of these different predictions, you got to be wary of them. You don't want to look at the ones that are predicting too low, and you don't want to look at the ones that are predicting too high. So 4 zeros, a little bit too high for a prediction, and then 7 zeros, too low. But 6 zeros, that's just right, and 5 zeros, that's amazing. So 6 zeros at the very least, 5 zeros at the very most. That's what we're going to see by the end of 2022 with Baby Doge. Now, if we continue to go down in the crypto market with Bitcoin crashing, everything else crashing, we see this recession like they're talking about, like a lot of people are talking about us going in a recession this year, then that's when things can reverse and then everything just go all the way down, like Bitcoin down to like 10K. If we see Bitcoin at 10K, just know Baby Doge is not going to look good for Baby Doge if Bitcoin hits 10K. It's not going to look good for anything if Bitcoin hits 10K. We don't want to see that. But I don't think Bitcoin will hit 10K. Too many millionaires and billionaires in Bitcoin for it to actually hit 10K. But anyways, I already mentioned all of this with the Baby Doge roadmap. Just know the wallet, virtual and physical debit cards, and the Baby Doge exchange. Rumors about that coming out very soon, sometime in Q1, have been circulating. So that also helped us pump This is a lot of utility. This is what's going to send us to the moon. So when it actually comes out, expect Baby Doge to knock out a 0. When this actually comes out, then we'll be at 7 zeros. Then we'll be even closer to our 5-0 goal by the end of the year, or our 6-0 goal by the end of the year. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got for you all today. I know it's not a lot, but like I said, I can't really go over Baby Doge in full, because if I do, then it's just not going to work out. Like, this is just moving too slow. But yeah, anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, by the 12th, I'm going to have everything set up. I'm going to be having daily videos with Baby Doge, high quality. So yeah, anyways, I'll be back with another video. Peace.